I'm convinced there's a right glove for every job in the garden. And my #1 favorite for the last several years is the Sheer Grip glove. First of all, it's lightweight and made of breathable nylon that is super durable and washable. But here's the super tip. They call it a smart grip because it has carbon fingertips that allow you to answer your smartphone without ripping your gloves off. For most heavy work in the garden, I like this sturdy Traditions glove, which has a goat leather palm for extra durability, and it's designed for greater comfort and mobility that I know you will appreciate. It also has an adjustable wrist closure to keep the dirt out. Just make sure when you buy a new pair of gloves, you look closely to see how they are made at the seams, and make sure they fit your hand perfectly before you buy. Every rose lover appreciates using gauntlet gloves because they offer the utmost protection from thorns. Even if you don't have roses, but you have a lemon tree or berries, you will love using these gauntlet gloves because they shield your hands and arms from thorns and prickly stems. These Comfort Pro gauntlets are made from a washable synthetic leather, so they will last you a very long time. They're great because they have padded knuckles and palms with reinforced fingertips for extra durability. Again, with any glove purchase, make sure they fit well, and in the case of gauntlets, they should cover your forearm to the elbow. Then you'll be ready to attack those roses come January, or those berries and lemons all summer long.